Cold laser therapy is a form of light therapy that is applied to areas of the body in order to stimulate healing. It's also known as low-level laser therapy. It is safe and painless with no side effects. So why is it called cold laser therapy? There are two types of medical lasers. There are the hot or high-level lasers, which burn or cut tissue. These are the type of lasers that are used in surgery, for example. And then there are the cold or low-level lasers, and they're used to stimulate healing and tissue repair. Cold lasers don't generate perceivable heat, and therefore when the laser contacts the skin, the patient experiences no heat or burning as a result of the lasers. Cold lasers are not really cold, though. They're just called this to distinguish them from the hot lasers. Most people feel nothing at all, while some may feel a slight sensation during the treatment. So how does cold laser therapy actually work? White light is a jumble of colored light waves. The waves spread out as they travel so that much less light hits a given area as the distance from the light source increases. White light is great for lighting the room, but it is not therapeutic. Each individual color has a different wavelength, and if all of the wavelengths but one are filtered out, the remaining light is called monochromatic. Now, not only are laser light waves monochromatic, they're also coherent, meaning they are all parallel to one another, and they spread very little as they reach their target. Due to these unique qualities, laser light is able to penetrate to effective therapeutic depths, driving healing energy deep into the tissues. So cold lasers stimulate tissue. This is known as photobiostimulation. The main therapeutic effect is to stimulate the repair and healing process of an injury or wound while reducing swelling and pain. The result is faster healing times and an increase in strength of repaired tissues. Treatments are few and quick. Treatments may last as little as 5 minutes or as long as 15 minutes. The total number of treatments required is usually between 6 and 20. While some patients get fast results, most patients require 6 to 10 treatments before there is a noticeable effect. The effective treatment is that session where enough laser energy has finally been delivered to now make a difference. This is usually around the 6th session. It's on this visit that the patient begins to notice significant changes, usually a few hours after the session, though. If there hasn't been too much time between treatments, the effect is cumulative, and things just keep getting better from that point on. Cold laser therapy treats a wide variety of conditions. This includes acute injuries. An acute injury is something that has happened recently, and cold laser therapy has been shown to be extremely effective with these types of injuries, including bruising and contusions, joint sprains, muscle strains or muscle pulls, sports injuries, and in fact, many sports teams use cold laser therapy for their injured athletes, and wound healing. In fact, we've used cold lasers soon after surgeries with remarkable success. Not only does the patient heal faster, but the likelihood of scarring drops significantly. Now, chronic issues are a little bit more challenging. By incorporating cold laser therapy along with other techniques and therapies, we usually have very good success. So here are the chronic conditions that we most commonly treat: arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome and other wrist conditions, fibromyalgia, frozen shoulder, and of course other shoulder issues as well, headaches, plantar fasciitis, also known as heel spurs, post-operative recovery. And as I mentioned before, we laser the surgical site as soon after the surgery as possible to get a much faster and complete recovery. Repetitive stress syndromes, which include carpal tunnel syndrome, golfer's elbow, and tennis elbow. Sinus conditions, tendinitis, tennis elbow, and TMJ, or jaw pain. So let's review the main benefits of cold laser therapy. Faster recovery, quicker return to normal activity, and promotes and enhances healing, not just treating symptoms. So think about it. You may be only 1 month away from feeling better than you have for many years. So, thanks for watching. We look forward to your questions and comments.